Comparing Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown versus alternatives is a comprehensive process that requires understanding of the underlying concepts and mechanics of the game. To begin with, Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game that allows players to collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique genetic makeup that determines its characteristics, abilities, and overall performance. The genetics breakdown in Axie Infinity is based on a complex system that takes into account various factors such as the Axie's body parts, genes, and traits. The game uses a combination of dominant and recessive genes to determine the Axie's appearance and abilities. Understanding this system is crucial for players who want to breed high-quality Axies and compete in battles. When comparing Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown to alternatives, it is essential to consider other blockchain-based games that offer similar gameplay mechanics. One such alternative is CryptoKitties, a game that allows players to collect and breed digital cats. While CryptoKitties has a similar genetic system, it is less complex than Axie Infinity and does not offer the same level of depth and strategy. Another alternative is Neopets, a virtual pet game that allows players to collect and care for digital pets. Neopets has a more straightforward genetic system compared to Axie Infinity, but it lacks the blockchain-based elements and competitive gameplay. To make an informed comparison, players should consider factors such as gameplay mechanics, genetic complexity, and overall player engagement. Best practices for comparing Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown to alternatives include researching the gameplay mechanics and genetic systems of each game, reading reviews and feedback from other players, and experimenting with different breeding strategies. By following these best practices, players can gain a deeper understanding of the Axie Infinity genetic system and make informed decisions about which game to play. In conclusion, comparing Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown to alternatives requires a comprehensive understanding of the game's mechanics and genetic system. By considering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices, players can make informed decisions about which game to play and how to optimize their breeding strategies. Ultimately, the goal is to provide value to players and help them navigate the complex world of blockchain-based gaming.